Hello and welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. In our session today, we are calculating the area of our circle when we're given the radius and our pi is equal to 3.14. And if you are ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our example today, we're given our radius at 7 kilometers, and we're told that we're using pi when it's equal to 3.14. So let's begin by starting with our formula. After you've written your formula, remember then you're going to go back and apply your rules for substitution. We are told that pi is equal to 3 and 1400ths, which is going to be multiplied to our radius squared. And in case you may have forgotten, remember that when the radius is squared, that means that we are multiplying our radius times the radius. This does not mean that we're multiplying our radius by 2. Remember that there's a difference between multiplying your radius times 2 than actually multiplying your radius to itself. So our radius in this case is equal to 7. So that means that we are going to be squaring our 7 in our question. And remember that again, our 7 squared simply means that we have 7 times 7, and we know that 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Now we're going to finalize our calculations for this question by multiplying our 3 and 1400ths by our 49. And let's begin multiplying with our 9. 9 times 4 will give us 36. We'll put our 6, carry the 3. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 3 will give us 12. We'll put our 2 and carry the 1. 9 times 3 is equal to 27, and 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. We're now going to input our 0 and then begin multiplying by our 4 in the tens place. So 4 times 4 is 16. We'll put our 6, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is equal to 4, plus 1 is equal to 5. And 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Let's sum our numbers. We have 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. We'll put our 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And then we'll bring down the 1. And to input our decimal point, remember we always go back to the numbers that we originally multiplied, which is our 3 and 1400ths and 49. And we're going to count how many digits are behind those decimal points in each of our numbers. So in 3 and 1400ths, there is 2 digits behind the decimal point, which is 1 and 4. In 49, there is no digits behind the decimal point. So we'll sum these numbers to get 2 digits behind our decimal point. And we'll count 1, 2 for our 8, and then input our decimal point between our 3 and the 8. And for this question, our area is equal to 153 and 86 hundredths. And remember that with area, our measurement is always in squared units. Okay, so there you have it. We just calculated the area of our circle when we're given pi as 3.14 and our radius is equal to 7 kilometers. Remember to get some additional practice in, and I'll see you right here in the next video on Joe's Math Tools, where we aim to make math easy.